Oh, let's go. Okay, we're streaming. Let's go. Quality might be some buns though. It's whatever.
We did not take out Data Wick. Still just kind of accumulating above it.
I when I came on YouTube, I saw Trump was speaking. He was speaking about how like the positives of what him and or I guess U.S. and China have done, and like the positives of the deal they've made. So I feel like if they're talking about that right now, could be pretty bullish for the day.
You're talking right now, though.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And we low-key just swept out a shit ton of liquidity. Holy shit. Interesting. I'm gonna wait till 9:30 open and then look for a bias.
I just don't want to get fucked by Trump.
Yeah. I mean, they're talking about good things. I feel like that's only bullish. It's 9:30 open. Might take out the wick, so let's just see.
Yeah, there might be a dump off of open. Real quick. Take out. We have a London low. 8:30 Data Wick.
Let's see. Is Ito in here? No. Other Ito's in here, though. Don't worry, Ito, not you. Guys, if y'all know Ito, he's only 2 weeks in, boys, and he is unfortunately going through the stage of, I don't even know what you would call it, just wanting success. It's good, Reggie. I won't talk on Ito too much.
No fucking way. Yo, I like the way you have your chart set up, and I do that too. I have like
Oh, yeah.
4 charts on my screen, but like, bro, Top Step X has like every fucking like kind of model except the one you have on.
Oh, yeah.
But Trading View has it
That sucks.
because my second monitor is like kind of broken. It doesn't fucking turn on anymore, and I need a CES.
Damn. You could run to like fucking Goodwill or something and get the cheapest monitor. Just literally buy like a
Might have
$5
to.
TV.
Yeah, literally.
I always see those Johns whenever I'm like thrifting or anything. I'm like, shit, if I didn't have a fucking whole setup, I would just get a whole
They got
Goodwill set.
monitors at
Yeah,
Goodwill?
dude. Yeah, I mean, at least
No way.
the couple ones I go to, they have like electronic stuff as well. If it's a good day.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't even care if it's like a low hertz monitor because like
Yeah, nice.
it's just for trading, bro.
Oh shit.
You know what I mean?
Hold on, let me go let my dog in. Come here. Stream. The dog is back. What is up? Alright, back. Just got my monitor back. What happened to your monitor? An eval? Hell no. That's a disrespectful question. Big boy Rudy, you already know. Type shit. Couldn't find a chair, so so Beanbag got a do. That's fire. That is the most goated setup I think I've ever seen. The iPad, the laptop, and the monitor on top of some bins.
Hey, if it works, it works.
Not for real. With then some, is that flour and Sour Patch? Hell yeah.
Yo, the gummy clusters though, I fuck with those.
Yeah, those are fire. Ito, brother.
Morning,
Ito, tell me why I got a screenshot of 1,000,000 executions on your screen this morning.
no, I had 3.
Ito, brother, it's not even 10 o'clock. It's not even 9:30 yet.
No, that was at 3 a.m., bro.
3 a.m. What are we doing?
Nah, bro,
Yeah.
I made a band though.
Bro, no, it doesn't matter about what you made, bro. You gotta be making good habits. That's the difference.
You right, bro.
If you break the rules, it's going back into the market at some
Yeah,
point.
bro. We
And
gotta
look,
get you.
I did catch a accumulation, a manipulation, and then distribution.
Wait, like you
And then I
caught
caught
like each
and
leg?
then I. What do you mean each leg?
Or like did you just
Like
catch the distribution leg?
the distribution.
Okay, good.
That's what I
Just
caught.
making sure.
And I seen an SMT 15-minute reverse. Everything that you taught me. And it did come in beautiful. Like it literally did not hit my stop loss at all. Like
Okay,
it just dropped
that's good.
and just kept on dropping from there.
But
Yeah, that's fire. I just want to trade AM then.
yeah, we
Or New
cannot
York
have
session.
you trading at 3 in the morning, my guy.
All right.
Because, bro, the
I'm never
problem
gonna
is
do that
you're gonna
again. That's
see
bad
people.
habits.
But yeah, you're gonna see people on social media making like a bunch of money in Asia session, thinking like it's good for you. But I promise you, if you read the chat, what I was talking about last night, like I don't know, if you like switch between session, yeah, if you're switching between session every single day with like multiple strategies, yeah, it might work short term, but long term, it's not gonna like sustain a very profitable set or system. I mean, it could work, but it's not as probable.
I didn't do the same thing every single day.
I didn't know your strategy worked. I mean, this is like the first time I actually really
didn't
used
know
your
my strategy
strategy.
worked. You know, you've been watching me
No,
for
no,
like
no. On
3 weeks
Asia, I'm
straight,
talking
bro.
about on Asia. I'm talking about on
yeah,
Asia.
yeah, it works literally across every time frame, which is insane. Or S&P falls for the first time in 4 sessions.
Here,
Bro, that
let
is
me
like
screenshot it.
such a random notification. It's literally like a day and a half would be first time. Oh wait, there's like a huge gap over here. I didn't even see that. Okay, I need to mark out my times here. Wait, let me make sure it's not. Oh, never mind. Oh, no, it's still there. So the day opening gap. We found love in a hopeless place. Found love in a hopeless place. Oh my goodness, Asian session is massive. Okay, so here we've already taken Asian session low, just slightly. So realistically, all we have left is Asian high or London high and Asian high. And I kind of like how the gap kind of rests in between both of those targets, so that makes that even more probable. All right, then we already are rejecting off of a 5-minute gap here. Let me go close my door real quick. Hold on. I think I might be bullish for the day. I don't have a kill zone indicator. It's just like the session indicator. I don't really think that means too much, honestly, Quinn. The notification. I wouldn't be too worried about that. That could literally be manipulation. Y'all can't hear me? Y'all hear me?
I hear you.
Okay, yeah. Bro, that notification could literally be manipulation for retail traders. Be like, oh, it's shorting. Let's go ahead and sell some of the stock, or just like short it basically. But in reality, look what price is doing literally as we're doing that.
Yeah, we're delivering out of a 4 hour in a daily. And I think this daily candle's gonna flip.
And my Discord literally just glitched.
Do you like the idea of flipping? See how we do with that, the daily high up here.
What do you got? Just the
Interesting,
daily, yeah. But I'm looking at the 4 hour mainly though.
Yeah, and respecting off that 4 hour gap does look nice. Although, unfortunately, we do have another void down here. But did we tap into 50%?
Yeah, we could probably just take out that low inside of that gap.
So yeah, look, we tapped into 50% as well. Or no, we just barely missed it. Yeah, I do like the idea of this flipping. Because yeah, we have a 1 hour gap here as well. That would be clutch if we could inverse this, but we might not get the we might not get the close on the inverse. Like it might just inverse as it's expanding.
I could definitely see like shorts down to the data wick though for sure. I could definitely see that happening.
Could definitely go either way.
So we are just in a 1 hour rejecting heavy off of that shit.
We have again the 5-minute gap here, so I mean if we inverse 5-minute gap, then yeah, you can look for that. So yeah, this is kind of exactly.
You're gonna need that inverse.
Yeah, this is exactly how you can use the model. If we inverse this 5-minute gap, then you can look for the data high. If we continue to respect and move higher, you simply just look to
just
go
go up.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's as simple as that.
Yeah, I always tell people like you gotta predict. You're predicting price like short term still.
Yeah,
you can't just like solely like rely on the 4 hour.
Yeah, bro, I feel like that's low key. Like I don't know, like 6 months ago, I kind of was like before I switched over to minis, I was on micros and I was like kind of solely kind of looking for like 4 hour plays or like just the whole move play, and I swear, bro, that shit would just fuck me. Like I'd either go break even too quick or I would just hit stop because like I would just get the daily bias wrong.
Yeah, you just have to like align the time frames, like just like how we're using this 5 minute. It's pretty much just will
As
determine
you said,
the
you got to
move.
be looking for like short-term targets rather than like the whole day target.
Yeah,
Like, looking for a
literally.
session target is always gonna be your ideal target.
Mm-hmm. London High looks promising.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. London High looks promising, but then so does the data wake. So it's just simply whatever we do on the 5-minute will probably tell us what we're bound to do.
Mm-hmm. Whatever we take out first.
Yeah, but then yeah, if we take out,
direction,
if we do take out, it would be nice to maybe see the data wick get taken out first. But...
If we take out the data wick, I'm gonna be extremely bullish.
Extremely bullish. So.
But we got a London low into that as well, so you just gotta just be careful.
Yeah, London low is right down there.
Today could be a good day. Price action looks pretty promising.
Yeah, I'm liking how we're setting up. Data lows and data highs are just simply the news candles. So as you see here, this was the news candle, 8:30 news, Powell speaks. We put in an extreme high and extreme low. So that would be the data high. That would be the data low. You can see the news candles are just completely different from the rest of the candles. It's very obvious when you have a data high or data low. I even sometimes just call like random massive wicks data highs or data lows. What's the max day with funded Apex? I only go 750. I make my own max day.
Yeah, you can make as much as you want.
Apex it's a little weird because the 30% consistency rule. I would recommend nobody make over 750 because if you do, you're going to definitely run into the 30% consistency rule.
Yeah, if you're
on 50.
If you make like 800, you just have to make a little more to get your minimum profit for your payout. That's all it is. It doesn't like break your rules in the Apex.
Oh, I mean, well, depending on, because they will sometimes let you request without meeting the rule, and then if you request, like there's been times where I've been stopped requesting, like it'll say I need to do another day, but there has been one time where like I broke the consistency rule, it let me request, and then it denied my payout. That was the only time that's happened though. It's happened 1 out of 7 payouts.
Yeah, and then did you have to make more to get the payout?
Well, no, then I just had to do like another 8 days.
Really?
Yeah. So.
Damn. Yeah. Well, you kept your balance though, so that
so you still keep the balance, but
that counts out pretty good.
Is just frustrating. Can you pass an Apex eval in 1 day? Yes, you can. There's no consistency on the eval.
That's what they get you. You can do
Yeah,
whatever the fuck you want on the evals.
exactly.
So because like when the undisciplined traders pass them, they know they're gonna blow that shit when they pass the account.
Exactly. Can I show the sessions indicator settings? Yeah, I got you. Take a screenshot of this because I'm not gonna have this up long.
Actually, let me take a picture of that because I ain't gonna lie, that shit was just fake
Hurry up,
fucking
hurry up,
on me.
hurry up. Hurry up.
Stop moving it. All right, there you go.
Yo, I saw your video on the, the guy's comment how you punish yourself.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I was laughing too when I heard that again.
Dude, that shit, it was so funny. I just read, how do I punish myself in trading? I'm just like, what?
Holy fuck.
I get the paddle. Possible SMT? Oh yeah, for sure. There is an SMT. Oh, bro, I want to copy trade 4 accounts and use 5 micros per account. Do I put 2 minis in or 20 micros for trade of 8? Wait, 4 accounts, 5 micros. I think it's 20 micros. Should do it. That sounds scary though. Copy trade on trade of 8 because imagine you just enter 20 micros on one account. I don't like trading because it hurts. Facts.
Because it hurts.
Oh fuck. One mini contract. Yes, I do trade of 8. Trading like a crazy ad leg day. What? I guess so. Nah, going through hitting stop loss is like a crazy ass leg day. Nah, you'll be good if you make 860 on a 50K. Just make sure you're making like 750 on the rest of the days. You should be good. Just don't make like 600 every day. No, I don't work in crypto. No, the session indicator for me is in, what is it? I think it's UTC 5, -5. How many micros on a 50K? I think on Apex it's like 50 micros or 30. It's like insane. It's like 5 mini contracts, I think. No, you cannot pass the take profit trade on the first day, but you can get paid out on the first day. Watch the mentality video where you shout bang. That was crazy perfect. Hey bro, if my mom wasn't home, you guys would get a bang, but unfortunately. As I said that, my mom just said, "Can I get your help with something?" You know what I'm hitting her with? Trading, period. No, I kind of feel bad though.
Too busy. If it's quick, I would just out of the way.
Yeah, let's see. See, if this was like 6 months ago, my mom would have came in here and screamed at me to get off the charts.
Yeah. So she just understands it now.
Yeah, they understand now. They've came because I mean, when I made that video, I wasn't making money, so I literally had watched a Justin Wheelan video
Yeah.
yesterday, and it's so true. I broke the glass shade on one of the pennants. I have 2. Oh Jesus. But yeah, I watched a Justin William video and he was talking about how like if you're starting anything, especially if you're a teenager or if you're just like telling your parents that you're starting something, um, just either don't tell them or just know they're literally never gonna see your success until you show them success. Like you have to show
Yeah.
them that you're making money or show
Wait, what
them
was the
like
video called?
I think it was just some reel I think that popped up
Oh,
just recently.
I heard that too.
But yeah, I mean, I'm sure it just came up on my feed. But I mean, it's so true. Like literally, bro, your parents only want the best
Mhm.
for you. So like, if you're just showing them like no success, but you're like working your butt off, like obviously they want you to succeed, but like they don't see that being the safe path. So they just want you to always go down the
Yeah,
safest
like you
path.
can't do anything about it.
Yeah,
Like
you
you
really
can't
can't.
like when you finally do make it, you can't just like call your parents fake. You know what
Yeah,
I mean?
exactly. You have to understand where they're coming from.
Mhm.
Yeah. You were fake. You didn't believe in the dream.
Yeah,
I mean,
like
but that did kind of push me though, because like I mean, obviously they believed in me, but like they weren't like fully on board. So like that shit really was a motivator
yeah,
though.
no, that's what I'm
But
saying. Like over time, like talking to my parents about it, like I feel like it sounds like they're understanding it more and more.
yeah,
And the other day, I was thinking like, yo, I don't know if I how I feel about this because like it pushed me so much more when they like
yeah,
didn't understand
dude,
it.
that's what I'm saying. Yeah, now I'm kind of like, damn, I kind of miss like coming up
Yeah,
and
that's what
getting
I'm
in
saying.
fights and like going to
Thought I was the
calisthenic
only one.
testing for hours. No,
Hmm.
I know what you mean, bro.
Fuck.
Damn, bro. Okay, we just got closed below the 5 minute, but my rules don't let me take that because the 5 minute has to close below. Nah, they fake as fuck. Yeah, for real, bro. I'm moving out. I'm done.
Fuck.
Yeah, no, we're about to probably sweep. We're probably about to sweep. I feel like we might create a crazy SMT. I feel like we might sweep on NQ and then ES will fail to sweep and we keep moving higher. If that happens, that would be beautiful. Then I'm definitely looking for London Eyes. At that point, if we just inverse this 5 minute after inversing again, um, definitely be cashed your 950 plus top tick to the data low fire. How'd you even top tick that? I mean, you did get a nice little sweep on liquidity, but I personally wouldn't have tried that.
We might respect the 5 minute here. We have 2 minutes left.
Passes the top step. I made 3K for the sweep. 50 minute for I got fire. Can you repeat what your rule is, please? My rule is if I'm waiting for the 5 minute to inverse, the 5 minute time frame has to close below the 5 minute gap. Just because the 1 minute closed below the 5 minute gap doesn't mean that's valid. So many equal lows below us. Yeah, we do have equal
I
lows
honestly
below
hope it
us.
doesn't run
Yeah, I'm
the
scared
data
we
wick
could. I mean, if
below.
we take the data wick and just keep plowing, like we could just run lows all day.
If we close right through, like if we close nicely, just past the gap,
Yeah,
take
we
it
might be able to
up and
catch
down to
something.
it.
We
Hmm.
might be able to catch something. Kanye's new album is good. Kanye dropped an album? The fuck? Bro, my personal Instagram got like disabled. I don't know what happened, but now like literally all I have is my trading Instagram, bro. And like now I don't like see anything like my old like personal feed. Like I would maybe see Kanye dropping an album or like see like news and stuff. Now I just go on my trading feed or my trading Instagram. Literally, I don't see anything but trading. It's honestly like I don't know if it's a good or bad thing, but
Wait, what'd you say about your main?
like my main like my personal Instagram got like disabled. I don't know what the fuck happened. Like it literally just got like
The fuck?
I used like the like the Google authentication app.
Yeah.
I used that to like get into like my account. So I had like two-factor authentication. I
Hmm.
go to get in one day and just literally says the code that I'm putting in from the authenticator app is not right. And I'm just like, well, nothing I can do about that, unfortunately. So now that account
Nah,
is just gone, but
that's fucked.
it's kind of funny though. Now literally my entire social media though is just trading.
It's just trading.
Literally just fully surrounded. Loki, that's what some of y'all need though. Some of y'all need to just
Hmm.
be
To an
surrounded by
extent, though,
trading.
you just can't
Yeah.
get. You can't just be. You don't want it filled with
Yeah,
like
you can't be information
just like
overload.
strategies. You don't
Yeah.
want to fill with strategies.
You just need it filled with psychology. That's what you need.
You know what I hate?
Oh
You
wait, we
don't
just closed
want
below the 5 minute. Hold on, we might put an entry right here.
really.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we did.
Okay, let's see.
Draws lower too, definitely.
Yeah, I'm liking this. Okay, if we create an order block here and respect this gap and make a change in state, even if we just get change state out of this, I'll probably enter. What the fuck is this? Ew! Why are they like this? Why is the calculator like this? Ew. Why'd they update it? Why is it changing my stop? Ew, this is disgusting. Bro, look at the new calculator. What is this? Okay, this is looking good. That's what we want to see. Really updated, bro. Yeah, they need to change that shit back immediately. I need to go like get the OG Fortnite server or whatever, like the OG TradingView server. Okay, that's perfect. We have a small little gap here. If we inverse that and get the change state, that'd also be perfect. Alright, we're finding a fat order block here. It's probably gonna sit up nicely here. If we get a 15-second change of state, I might take that over the 30. Let's see. So I feel like once we start pumping here, we are just going to dump. Like we might just go literally instantly to data lows.
Yo, someone told me that a CISD was just a close over like the body, not the wick.
Yeah, so I mean, you can do the body. I personally think the wick though is just the most probable. But yeah, the body works as well.
That's what I think too. It's just like more probable.
Yeah, if you're thinking probabilities, you might as well go for the more probable setup then. Because like here, yeah, we closed above these or like these bodies, but then we just wicked out above these. Like this candle literally, yeah, it could have been a change state, but then it could have also just been manipulation taking out all these people.
Mm-hmm.
As you see though, we are pushing higher though. We are kind of getting a V-shaped recovery there. And there's a nice 2-minute gap. Okay, so like we re-inverse the 5-minute, I probably will be bullish. Like, because we inversed it once, but if we inverse and then re-invert, or like you inverse and then it's technically respecting, but like it's respecting / inversing, if that makes sense. If you get that, that's usually a probable setup to go to the upside as well. But if we fail to do that, then keep coming down, then I'll still be bearish.
Yeah, I'm pretty bearish right now. Like it has to just fucking actually tank.
Yeah, I want that high to be taken too, but it would make sense for these orders to get taken out before we move higher.
Mm-hmm.
400 people in the live. Shit.
Holy fuck! Now we actually might be bullish.
Yeah, I'm telling you, we're pumping. We're about to re-inverse the 5-minute gap here, so if we get the right setup, this will be nice. What gap is this? Wait, this is a 1 hour. Yeah. Okay, possibly might just wait another 5 minutes because this is the 1 hour gap, the yellow or the big red one. Hold on, wait 20 seconds. See if we inverse a 5-minute. If we inverse a 5-minute, I don't know. No, I can't. I'm not taking that. We're too close to 10 o'clock for me.
Yeah, wait for that 1 hour close.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the for sure. For sure. The 1 hour close that should tell us pretty much where we're going. Because we inverse the 1 hour for value. Yeah, that is pretty bullish. All right, we did just re-inverse the 5 minutes, so get rid of this. here.
Yeah, so now you want this 1 hour inverse. 1 minute.
Wait, what do you mean?
1 minute time frame. You'd want that inverse.
Like, yeah, this little gap. I would want this to probably be respected.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
well,
about.
yeah, if you depending on what
Inverse
bias you
or
got.
perspective.
Yeah. But I'm waiting till the 1 hour close for
I
sure.
know. From what I've seen, like with screen time conviction, like this is probably bullish, like a buy up like that, especially on the 5 minute.
Yeah, we do have an SMT as well. A bullish SMT.
A nice reaction out of the one.
I think tomorrow's Thursday or Friday. Yeah. I'm planning special stream tomorrow. Yeah. Special stream tomorrow.
What's tomorrow?
Let's just say I'm gonna come dripping. Let's just say that.
All right. All right, I'll take your word for it.
Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Dripping might not be the word. Let's just say that. Y'all will just see. Just know, tune in for a special stream tomorrow. That's all I'm saying. Yes, I do use the 200 moving average. It just tells me though, like the premium or discount. Freaky stream with Andrew Trades. Yes. Can you oil up and record it low key? Gooning stream tomorrow? That'd be tough.
Low key could make it happen.
Could make it happen. Instead of a bang, it's just a cum shot as I hit TP.
Yeah.
Bang! Kinda wanna see your SMT? What? What? You can connect Apex Trading with TradingView. Yes, bro, you can connect Apex with TradingView. You just don't use the wealth charts, use Tradebait. Am I gonna trade today? Most likely. Most likely. Alright, I'm liking this. Fortunately, we're probably not gonna get that hour close we want to see, but I think we are pretty bullish here.
Yeah, I don't think this is gonna get respected anymore. It's 1 hour.
Why did Kanye cook in his songs, bro? My ancestors kind of tripping right now. Forgot rats from Germany. What does Germany have to think about Kanye? I'm sure they've got some thoughts on him. Rat is typing. Okay, the 5 minute gap or 5 minute, low key 15 minute and 5 minute looks like yesterday, bro. Like, I mean, the 1 minute looks a little bit cleaner. Oh, we just put it in fat SMT as well. Oh, we have crazy equal highs on ES. Holy shit. Bruh, he on some like East Germany type shit, DDR type of song. I don't even know what DDR is. So okay, here I don't even know. Yeah, Yee's low key disrespectful. I don't really fuck with it. You gotta like, he's a crazy musician, but low key, yeah, he is mad disrespectful. Don't really care what anyone has to say. Like, Just Google Kanye HH song lyrics. Don't put it on stream, please. We'll definitely not be playing that on stream. Okay, we are low-key cooking. This kind of sucks. I mean,
London highs want to be hit.
yeah, they do want to be hit very badly. I don't know if we're gonna get an entry on this though, dude. How am I missing entries? I don't understand. I'm not worried about it, but it's just like, damn. We might be able to get a re-entry though, or not re-entry, entry. Just hope that we get some sort of pullback, respect some gaps, and then keep moving higher. Past the second funded, let's go. Just got a 1 to 4. Nice, nice. I mean, as soon as we open from the hour, we have just been pumping. So it's kind of unfortunate. Okay, there we go. Now all we have to see is just the buy model we put in. So we've already kind of got it coming in here with the respecting gap 1. So let's just see one more respect and then I'll be in. Or like obviously you can go through the whole entry model though. I see Take Profit Trader and Apex. I'm confused. Yes, I use both of their firms. They're the only firms I use. What do we think about Forex? Forex, I mean, if you're not in the United States, I think Forex is probably the best option. ES already took Asia highs. Did it take Asian lows as well? Ooh, it just slightly did. Interesting. Interesting. But ES also had never filled their day open gap, which we just did there. Versus NQ had filled the gap earlier on. So it is something to be looking at for maybe flipping the sides here. We just have to see. I just see some real conviction for both sides. Because like this is kind of just ranging here. Like you could say this is a double manipulation. There's a lot of things you could say here. Andrew, would you mind if I played with your toys?
What?
Like, what are you guys even talking about? This is what you have to trade with, bro, if you live trade on TikTok Live. Like, Aiden, if you ever think about it, this is
That's
the chat you're reading, bro.
crazy. I'm probably gonna trade live on TikTok as well.
I mean, it's the move without a doubt. I love it, but it is just like, what are you guys even talking about? Can we come play? Who is we? Like, what are we talking about? Have I entered? No. He didn't say no. Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying no. I'm just saying, like, who's we? Okay, LeBron James, I can't read that one out loud. That one will 1000% get me clapped.
Yo. What?
Dude, LeBron James is always in my chat, bro. I can't believe it's
I'm gonna have to read
LeBron.
it.
It's the real LeBron, bro. He's the #1 fan in here, too. Holy shit, LeBron.
LeBron trades? Oh, shit.
No, it's just LeBron James. It's just the LeBron James.
Yo, people actually donate to you on TikTok streams?
I mean, it'll be like 1 rose.
What does that even
It's
do,
not.
though?
That's maybe like 0.01 cents. I don't care for the donations. LeBron be tripping. Yeah, LeBron needs to get reported, bro. Someone needs to screenshot this and send it to LeBron. Be like, this you. How does this affect LeBron's legacy? That's a good question. Low key.
I think it builds it, honestly.
I think it's low key. That's kind of pushing him over the edge of the MJ and Go Talk, I think. Okay, here if we get the change in state, I don't know, bro. Something's telling me this price action is just doo-doo. I don't know why. Like, I just don't like what I'm seeing. Even though we look so bullish, though. Like, I know we're going higher. I just don't know why I can't really get a good setup here. Okay, we do have a 3-minute gap. That I do like. So we can respect this. Move higher. Can I fill your fair value gap? I would gladly fill your fair value gap. I will fully inverse your fair value gap. Yeah, SMT at Asia, I did see that. Murphy, I can't read that one either. Chat being hella zesty today? Yeah, I know. I don't know what everyone's on today. I told them I was going to be coming different tomorrow in tomorrow's stream, and they just started going crazy. Almost at 500 viewers, though. It's honestly insane. Spit on it. You already know. Zesty Thursday. You're teasing us? Shorts right now. Reason I'm not looking, I'm still kind of stuck right now. Like I need to see conviction for both sides. Like right now, just these charts, like the 15-minute chart looks extremely bullish, and just with external factors like Trump speaking on how, just speaking on the positives of what them and China have came to a deal to. If you're thinking psychological, that would make sense. So he probably would go higher. But if you are looking shorts, I mean, you're gonna need to see a lot of conviction here. Like you're gonna need to see some sort of heavy momentum to the downside. Although we do have the SMT and we filled the gap on ES, like that does look good. Here I'm basically just saying, okay, if we respect this 3-minute gap, I will probably look for those buys. But if we completely disrespect this, then I might be switching buys. We'll just have to see. Which we already respected on the 3-minute. Let's see, but we might be forming a 5-minute here, so. Well, literally as soon as I opened up YouTube, it just popped up that Trump was speaking, so I kind of got lucky there. Do not text toxic matchmaking to get free tips. No, get the fuck out of my chat.
Yo, I think most of my followers on TikTok is like 10 Andrew Trades accounts. Like 90% of my followers.
It's so funny.
And
I don't
I've
understand
had
why
like
there's so many fakes, bro.
bro, the DMs you get on TikTok from like
Yeah.
these bot scam traders,
Yes, bro.
it's just insane. It's not even. I'm not even talking about like the like Andrew Trade accounts. It's just like
Yeah,
random
just
ass
even
people.
any account, bro. Like I don't know if you follow like I follow this dude named Jack Trades, if you know who he is. He has so many fake accounts too. Literally within seconds of hitting him up, you literally get followed by like 5 accounts, and you're like, oh, wonder which one's real.
Yeah, mine is just TGR and you,
Oh
pretty
yeah,
much.
TJR's got hella fake.
Yeah,
TJR's he's got hella clip accounts though too, so it's kind of hard to tell like the fake versus the clip accounts. I don't know.
No, but the ones that are following me are so obvious. Like it has like underscores, periods, and shit. Like in the.
Are they like hitting you up asking for shit?
Nah, but like the people that are hitting me up are just like this random ass 40-year-old guy that's just like obviously faking this shit. Like his own face, everything.
Faking his face.
They trade Forex.
Okay, I'm
like,
low-key liking the idea of shorts here.
Yo,
We
we
inverse this
respected a
gap
50
hard.
minute.
Because the fact that we have a SMT at Asia highs and we already filled both weekly gaps or daily open gaps. Like look, NQ had filled this before ES filled, then ES just now filled. So and ES is thumping off of that level.
Data low.
Yeah, I'm thinking the day lows, and we're about to double inverse a 2-minute gap here. Holy shit! Let's see here. Yeah, this is probably gonna be a beautiful move.
Yeah, I didn't want to say anything, fuck up your bias, but I saw a 15-minute from like 3. Yeah, literally London 3 a.m. 15-minute gap. Just been respecting that shit.
Yeah. Yeah, That's the thing, like, bro, with my strategy, it's like you kind of have both biases. So, I mean, it's good to be basically switching. Like, you need to have something that's convicting you of going one way or the other if you're looking both ways.
Yeah.
And then if
That
you
goes
can-
to that adds on to like when I said you're predicting probably short term, so like you know what I mean? Your bias can
Exactly.
flip just like that.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah, for Cuppa who just asked, that's exactly why I'm changing my bias, is because like I'm not looking for the daily bias, it's simply just the session bias. So if I'm thinking overall the day might be bullish, what would I assume? Well, we might come take out these lows before moving higher. And that's essentially my bias there.
Yeah. At the end of the day, we're scalping. Like
Yeah. Realistically,
40 points.
like we're scalping, and scalping gets a bad like rep, I guess. Like when people think of scalping, they think of those videos where it's literally just like a half second where they're just entering
Yeah,
the
yeah,
candles, not even a candle, and they're making money. Like this is like professional scalping, I would say. Maybe not professional, but it's like it's a higher level of scalping that you're seeing.
Yeah.
I think. I'm playing with
For sure.
myself right now, bro. I'm not entering those anymore.
What you say? You're playing with yourself? What the hell?
The fucking chat is just a troll at this point. Okay, but if we
They just
like,
wanna
then
see you
if
take a
we then go
trade.
back to inverse another, like if we go back and inverse
Bro,
this
we're just on a
2-minute gap,
range. I swear.
if we inverse this 2-minute gap, then I'm not probably gonna look for anything until we have like a 5-minute gap open or something else, because we cannot be just triple inversing.
Yeah, this looks so choppy. No, too choppy right here.
Mo, I never ignore you. I see you in here all the time. I know you're an OG. Okay, if we get this inverse on this 2-minute here, might be a little bit of a stretch to close, but I'll probably be in. Still in school? No, I'm dropped out.
Yo, how was trading with college?
Low key, it was kind of hard. Like, especially with my schedule, bro. It was like, dude, the mandatory classes, like, I couldn't switch the times of these classes. Were at like 9:30 and 10. So every single day I had a class at like the peak time I was trading, bro. So I was like, yeah, this is fucking ridiculous. Like,
You're just trading in class.
yeah, like that's where I had like some of my most popular videos. So I do wish I had more videos of like me when I was profitable. I wasn't even really that profitable when I was in class, but I wish I do have more videos.
I mean, how was it trading when you like first started trading in class? Obviously, like unprofitable.
Yeah, I mean, it was just
seeing that shit,
bro. Yeah, it was honestly, it was just like frustrating too, because then you get like people asking you like what you're doing or like just looking at your screen, bro. It was just like I'm not trying to be like, I don't care if people are like if I'm streaming my stream, but then it's a different story if there's literally like 5 people right behind you all looking at you take your trade. Like, I don't know why, that's just a different feeling.
No, like I always hesitate too when people ask me what I do and shit. It's so annoying because I feel like I have to like explain a little bit for them to understand, because nobody understands.
What's good, Adam?
What's good?
What's good?
I was just gonna say your live trading in Linder is what got me into trading itself. I seen that shit and I was like, bro, I need to replicate it.
Dude, yes, bro. I think I remember when I think you had like commented. Someone had commented like, "Yo, I recognize that building like the back of my mind. That's fucking Linder right there." It's like, yo.
Yeah, I was tripping. My roommate sent it to me. I was like, no way.
Yeah, dude. See, like I do wish I had a little bit more of that content, because that content is so gold, bro. Like trading in class and banking, like bro, you're just bound to go viral through that. Like,
oh yeah.
So that's why I tell, if you're a high school guy, bro, and you're not even profitable, just start making videos. I don't even care. If you're in high school or college, just start making videos in class. I don't care if you're profitable or not. You will just get views, even if you're losing trades back to back. Nah, I know. I still remember though when I was just walking, and I just like see some dude staring at me. I'm like, what's up with this dude?
No, I was looking at you up and down for a minute.
I was like, what's up with this dude?
Staring
He's
at
like,
you?
he's like, you Andrew? I was like, fuck yeah.
Yes, sir.
You about to be on campus next year?
Yeah. I got like 3 online classes and then like 2 in person, so I got like a good mix.
That's nice,
yeah.
You got an apartment with someone, or you got a house, or what's up?
Yeah, I got a house with like 3 of my buddies.
Type shit. What's it called? I'm over on like I'm not gonna leak the address. I'll send you where I'm staying at with like Dylan and I mean like Dylan Hudson, Will, and like all like it's like the people who are like friends with like the twins that you're
like
friends
on your
with.
IT and shit.
Yeah, they're like I don't know like the group that like the twins and like Jay and them like I don't know like our group is like I guess like partially friends with their group, and then
I got you.
I'm more friends with the other group though rather than their group.
Yeah, I used to go to high school with the twins and played lacrosse and shit with them.
Yeah, dude, it's so funny, dude. Every girl will be on their tip.
Oh, I bet, yeah.
It's insane.
And that's just their goal for like life.
Yeah, genuinely, bro. Are they like are they popular on TikTok?
Yeah, low key. I think Noah be posting a lot, be getting some views, doing his like light skin dances.
Yeah, doing the light skin shit. Love to see it. Europe way too serious. Bro, what are y'all even talking about right now? And we don't have lacrosse. Is there no lacrosse in Europe? Alright, if we get this 30 seconds, this is about to close below 2 minute. If we get that, I'll probably be in on this. Because we're just about to start sweeping the low of this candle as well. That's not what I want to see though. Okay, we're respecting this 2 minute gap. We are in this gap now. Low key, if we inverse this 1 minute gap with the change state delivery out of the order block, I'd probably be in as well. Just have to see. Did he party at Andrew's house? I got mad baby oil downstairs, so. 5:37 watching this right now. Holy shit. We are about to watch a banger.
Andrew, you getting famous now.
Slowly, bro. Slowly. I have not taken a trade for the past 2 days. I'm not even in a trade yet. Still looking for something high probability. Don't get nervous. I am the least nervous. I just don't like if we bro, we've inversed so many gaps. Like if we now inverse again, like I don't want to see that, bro. Especially to the upside. Like we've been inversing to the downside, and now we're going back to the upside. And like, although we do have the ultimate SMT. Holy shit. Fuck, dude. Piss me off. If we get an order block and change to delivery, I might be longing. Might, just maybe. I need to see the full setup though. If not, then I don't know if I might take anything today. This shit's just like awful.
Bro, price action's weird, bro.
That's what I'm saying. Low-key, the conviction is just not all there. Although I do like the fact that because we do have a lot of low resistance liquidity kind of, or high resistance being 15 minute probably. But we do kind of have a very obvious trend. Though I'm not a trend trader, so. Okay, low key, I'm not taking it, but you could have entered right there, probably. just see what this will hypothetically do. That was my hypothetical entry. I'm not taking this trade, guys. So.
But you're not taking it?
No, I'm not taking this. No, I said I was not.
They
I said
closed the trade.
hypothetical means not taking, or it means in theory.
Sure.
Yeah, I would not just long just because I said you can hypothetically take that, guys.
Yeah, some people still take that shit too because they just want to make money.
Just because they're like, oh, well, he thinks you could hypothetically take it. I'm in on that shit.
Just because you think there's a possibility, you know what I mean? Like people still just.
Again, yeah, there's possibilities for anything to happen in the market. That's why you have to think about probabilities. I really don't like this. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I really don't like the price action at all. Like, this looks awful. The 5 minute looks like yesterday's 5 minute. It just looks.
We can't break any BPRs.
Oh, what's good, Gabe?
What's good, bro?
Just spawned in. Wait, Gabe, did you trade this morning?
Dude, I didn't take shit.
Oh, okay. I thought you had like sent a trade.
No.
Yeah, dude. I don't know. This is just looking awful, bro. Like, what are we doing? Were you in Dodgies this morning?
Yeah.
What do you say?
They took one, but they went break even. I didn't take it. I didn't like it.
Do I come live daily? Yes, sir. I come live every single day. Yeah. Wait, what'd they take? At what time?
I think it was like right before. I think it was pre-market.
Yeah.
Wait.
It looked like pre-market honestly better than except for.
Nah, dude, there were no fair value gaps being formed whatsoever.
Awful. Bro, look at price from like 5 in the morning. Like just all of this. Like this is beautiful price action. This is what you want to see, and then boom. Like what
they took a 30-second short at 9:15.
Wait, let's see.
It's like a 30-second short at 9:15 or something like that.
Oh yeah, it does look like there's a setup in there. Oh yeah, that's valid. It's definitely valid. Although we immediately pumped. Though we are getting the setup as we speak here. Just even match the RR though. You know what? I think that might be it, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just not. I don't know. Something's just telling me, bro. Like we are just literally chopping over and over. Like we'll go. Like it looks like we're going higher, and then we just go lower, and then it looks like we're going lower, and then we go higher. I don't know what's going on here. Here are all my indicators, guys. Chop, 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 walk away. I think I like that mentality. Third day with no trades. Damn, I know, boys. I think it's a really good thing. It's showing that I am finally maturing within the market and understanding I don't need to be here every day. I need to trade every single day. I think everyone needs to honestly get to that point within their trading. But yeah, it does. I mean, it does suck. Obviously, I want to be pulling profits out, but again, this is all part of the journey. Not trading is all part of it, and just is what it is. Hold on, I'm gonna dog in. Hold on. Bro, look at what streaming for y'all every day does to my head, bro. I don't know if y'all can see the fucking head dent. Holy fuck, bud. Need to get a fucking mic.
Headset dent?
Yeah, dude. Fucking up. Yeah, especially with the buzz cut, bro. Oh, it's so prominent.
That's what I'm saying. I can imagine that.
Yeah, dude. I have to like literally shower after fucking just shit. You need to change your mic. Yeah, I will. Eventually. Make sure my dog don't eat my Chipotle bowl. Is that ready? Get earbuds? Maybe the move, possibly. Yeah, I think earbuds and a mic would probably be the move. I might get some this weekend. Although buying like a fucking $100 mic does not sound nice, but yeah, logging off is definitely a smart move. I'm not looking for anything, guys.
Fuck is this
Yeah,
price
this PA
action, bro?
honestly just makes me want to puke. But then again, think about it. We had 8:30 Powell speak like that, and I've been training for a year and a half. I've never seen that. So I mean, you could probably just possibly blame that for making the market just all fucked up. But again, you can blame external factors for PA being bad, but you can't blame external factors for you taking a trade within bad PA. That's the difference. Okay. That's what you guys are gonna learn. Like, okay, yeah, PA is bad, but it's how you react to the PA. I could take a trade right now and be like, oh, bro, I just took a loss. You know what? It's because of the bad price action. No, it's because you simply wanted to take the trade. Like, you could just do what I'm doing is sit on the sideline. It's as simple as that.
I find that so funny.
Yeah.
People do that. I made a video on that yesterday, actually.
Oh, really?
People just blame the fucking PA, bro. Like, it's you. It's your fault for taking the trade with the bad PA.
So true. Dude, I'm honestly loving though like where the trading space is going. Like 5 years ago, or not even like honestly just like a couple years ago, like when Forex was really big, like the trading space was so scammy. Like I wasn't in it, but like if you go look back on it, like and just hear like what some of the guys talk about the trading space being, like a couple years ago, it was just so scammy. And like I don't know, I feel like the younger generation of guys that are coming up, like Aiden, myself, some of these other guys, like they honestly are putting out like quality content. Like they're not really just trying to fucking like they're not really going on social media just to fucking milk you of money or sell you a course. Like they're actually coming on there just to provide content and help you guys out in any way they can.
Yeah, I made a video on that too, actually, like a while ago. It's like, bro, I'd rather put my trust into some like 19-year-old kid with a Discord that's like education, because like, bro, he's trying to build a personal brand.
Exactly.
So like, why would he like risk it?
Exactly.
His reputation.
Obviously, there
are
some 19-year-olds that would maybe risk the reputation.
Oh yeah, for sure. But what I'm saying is like, I'd rather put my trust in some like 19-year-old kid like trading than like some 25-year-old guy like flexing his Lamborghini every day.
Flexing
even though like,
or some shit.
Like yeah, he might be real, like a real trader, but like you don't know that.
Exactly.
I just put more trust in.
And bro, you're probably gonna pay like $1,000 to not even get like one-on-one time with them. You'll probably just be like watching videos or whatever.
Exactly.
Like, you probably won't even be on a call with them.
Yeah, because they're making their money. I mean, they're making most of their money like not trading. Let's just be real. Like it's just high ticket.
Some
the memberships are a lot of money.
The high tickets are insane. TGR was talking about how there's some like I don't know if y'all saw his podcast with his friend Carson or whatever, but they were just talking about that. I saw a clip of it though yesterday, talking about like who's making the most money in like the info space. And TGR said there's this dude that he sells literally just, it's like, I don't know if it's a course or what it is, but he literally charges $1 million to be part of this, and he lands 3 of them a year, making $3 million a year. Every single year.
Insane.
Like that's just ridiculous. Imagine having that high ticket of a fucking offer. I
think he was saying too, because like there's some rich people that will pay for that shit.
I mean, yeah, dude, yeah. I mean, people don't understand how many people there are out there with money, and just how many people in general there are out there. It's just honestly absurd. I think the stat is like there's 22 millionaires or 22 million millionaires in the United States. I'm pretty sure. Like that's just fucking insane.
There's so much money to be made.
Yeah. And I don't know if you guys seen the video. This video, it's like there's a millionaire made. There's 2,100 millionaires made every single day. Why can't you be one of them? But yeah, I mean, if there's 2,100 people being made a millionaire every single day, like why can't you be one of them? No. Indicators to use. All my indicators and all my settings are in the free Discord, so don't like feel like you gotta pay to get in my Discord to see the settings. Those, if you want to see like the specific settings, it's again all my free Discord. Yes, you can copy trade multiple Apex accounts. Do you connect NinjaTrader? No, so I use NinjaTrader, but it's for my copy trader. So essentially, I can log on to Tradevate on my NinjaTrader. I log on to my Tradevate accounts. I can make a leader account. That's then my leader account will copy trade. Basically, what I do on my leader account will copy trade the rest of my other accounts. So I'm using Tradevate as my broker, But on NinjaTrader, I can log into my TradeOvate account to then get my copy trader going, and then I can come on here while still being logged on NinjaTrader. Can come onto TradingView, log on to TradeOvate as well, get onto my leader account. Leader account is leader account 12, and then I can literally just take a trade on here, and it will copy trade the rest of the trades. I'm not trading today. I'm low key gonna just sit on the side. We might come take out this data wick right now, but I really don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I would recommend buying all your accounts via TradeOvate. Dude, I can't tell you the last time I've like personally not traded, like especially over 3 days. I've like, unless it was for external factors where like it's forcing me out of the markets, I haven't sat in the markets and not taken a trade for more than 2 days straight. No, 3 days is honestly ridiculous, but
price action's been fucking good though the past fucking month or two.
No, yeah, dude, last 2 weeks have been insane. Like, it really has been some beautiful price action. And then just today, this past week. I mean, but it happens though. Like, if you have experience in the market, you know there are some weeks that are just so ass, and then some weeks that you just literally will go 5 for 5 on and execute perfectly.
Yeah, weeks with ass price action when you're like starting trading, it's
dude, yeah, because you don't understand.
You're gonna take a trade no matter what, too.
Yeah, you don't understand that price action just doesn't perform every time, and you're like, bro, what am I doing wrong?
Yeah, like it's just so draining.
Yeah,
but
that's the thing. That's why I always tell people, like, you can learn all the technicals in like a month or two. Literally, probably in a week, you could learn all the technicals. But it's gonna take you guaranteed at least 3 to 6 months just to identify like the trends and patterns of like each week, of like daily profiles, weekly profiles, and understanding like some weeks are bad, some weeks are good, and then like understanding like Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So like that's why I always recommend. I think if you go through a full year of trading with a full year of market experience, you will probably be a lot better off than if you try and like become super profitable within like 6 months or 3 months. Like if you just think, okay, it's gonna take a full year, then you'll probably be a lot better off.
Yeah, you don't want to time limit.
Yeah, dude, I don't know about you, but I put time limits on all. Like I remember I first started, I was like, all right, I'm gonna paper trade for 3 months. I'm gonna be the one of a kind, get profitable in 3 months. Fuck no.
Yeah, I know how that feels. I know exactly how that feels.
But no, it was like after the 6-month period, because I was like, all right, you know what? Okay, I'll go back, try 3 months again, and then okay, maybe I'll be like the one of a kind that makes it in 6 months. And then I realized I tried again at 6 months. I got lucky actually and passed the funded, and then blew the funded in literally a day. And I was like, well, I am not the lucky 6 months. And then I was like, okay, I just need to take the time frame off of this and just grind.
You have to get humbled.
Yeah,
you have really to get humbled in this market.
That's what I tell a lot of my students. I'm like, there are Cannon events that everyone just has to go through, like blowing your first funded, or just like being close, like $100 away from getting your first certificate, then blowing the entire account, or just like little things like that. There are so many Cannon events that everyone goes through.
Bro, sorry, go on.
Oh, I was just gonna finish. I remember the story I was talking about with the Riot Andrew guy who like blew the $1 million payout.
Yeah.
It's kind of scary just to know, like, obviously there's beginning Cannon events, but there's a lot more Cannon events that can come on, like later in trading. So like that's what's kind of like scary though, is like if your job is really just based on how well you perform, it is like shit, how well can I perform for how long? Obviously trading, I mean, it's like a life skill. You'll probably be able to perform pretty well forever, but again, if you're going through like external factors in life where you're just stressing or just little things like that, like it can deter your trading. And I mean, if trading's your job, you literally rely on how good you do, then like that could kind of fuck your life over. But
that's what I'm saying. Yeah, last year I was in like this options trade on Nvidia, and I was up like it's looking kind of a swing, and I was up like $200, and I texted Johnny Options, and I was like asking him about it. I'm like, yo, do I hold it, do this, do that? And he was straight up telling me, he's like, you're gonna get humbled in the market at some point. Just like, and I was just, dude, I had the mindset. I was like, yo, like, I don't want to be humbled. You know what I mean? Like, I was just kind of rejecting.
Everyone wants to be like, nah, I'm not gonna get humbled.
I was just rejecting what he was telling me, bro. Yeah. And I think like a month later, when I got my first ever funded, past the eval in like 3 days, but then I was winning for 3 weeks, and then what's it called? 2 days, I blew the whole fucking account.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, it was so fucked.
Yeah, that's a Cannon event right there, though. Like, I'm sure you learned something from that.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, I've been thinking about it. I might think about the Miami trip. I'm thinking I might hit
Oh, you
up a
got it.
couple other traders and see if we could get like a group together, and then maybe I'll just run it up there.
I'd be so down.
I'm thinking about I don't know, this might be a far shot, but I might hit up Bonka, and like a couple other dudes, and see if they want to go up there. Bonka, literally, he's like the one who got me into trading, like a year and a half ago.
Really?
Yeah, I have a couple DMs with them.
Bonka's boys with Johnny.
Really? Okay, so yeah, maybe that could
They
actually work.
were at least
I don't
like
know.
last year.
I'm just trying to connect with like other traders, start like getting
I'm
actual
sure
connections
Bonka
up.
would be on the.
Yeah, we'll see then. Yeah, but no, I'm genuinely kind of interested in that because I mean, just going. I mean, it's only $700, like, and he's gonna pay for basically everything except for like food, obviously, but he'll pay for the yacht. So like, all you got to
Mhm.
pay for is the stay in the hotel.
He's got like
and the
a
flight.
he's got like a class. It's like one of those like in-person classes. I don't even know if I'm gonna go to that shit. I don't, like no ego shit. I just don't think I need it.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, we're gonna probably officially bump here. People were asking what I thought about price action. This shit, dog shit. You in Arizona? Nah. Actually, I just bought Brett Scales' apartment. Any potential trades? Nah. Done. Y'all are out in Arizona though. This dude named Jack Trades goes to Arizona, or he literally just graduated from Arizona State. Lives out in Arizona.
Oh yeah, I forgot to add on to the account thing. Dude, something. Yeah, that's the night before I blew them all. I was like telling my parents like how much I was up because they finally asked me, and I'm like, "Fuck, bro!" Like blood rush, adrenaline in my head.
Yep.
When they asked me, I was like, "Oh, I'm up 2.2K." I was $300 away from a payout, bro. And I lose the next day, and I go on tilt, and I end the day like 1,000 down, and then I get the next day, obviously trying to make it back, go on tilt again, blow the account. I was like, "What the fuck,
dude?" Dude, when your parents, that's why I always like now I never tell anyone like what I'm about to make or like even if my parents, my girlfriend's asking, I try not to like say anything about it. Usually, if my girlfriend asks, I do usually tell her everything, but. Like if my parents are asking, usually I try not to like tell them how much I'm making or like what I'm about to make. Like if I'm close to a payout, I just try not to tell anyone until they ask. Cause like I don't want to
Yeah.
like, cause if you tell people, then it's like you almost just put this obligation that you have to do it, and then it just adds the stress and anxiety behind it all, and then it just kind of fucks you over.
Exactly, bro. I fucking hate it. Like that blood rush that you get when they ask you.
Yeah, it's just like, oh, bro. And the thing is, I don't know if you know about like I don't know what it's called. It's like something gratification, but it's like when like you tell people that you're doing it, but you haven't actually done it. It's like you get the dopamine that you actually have done it, but you actually haven't. So then it's like it kind of fucks your whole perception up.
Like I went to bed with like
instant gratification.
like too much confidence too.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, get the ego built
Fuck,
up.
man. But also like at the same time, I just like I hated that I told them to like right after.
Yes,
I'm like, oh fuck.
Yeah, that's why if you're getting into trading too and you haven't told your parents yet that you're getting into it, do not fucking tell them. Do not tell them until you have a payout, bro.
Yeah, I told them because I got my mentorship. I was like, hey, I'm gonna spend $1,200 on a mentorship. And they're like, what?
See, I was retarded. I literally started paper trading and told them I'm gonna get into trading, and they were like, yeah, that was just the stupidest thing I could have ever done.
Oh, yeah, I bet that fucking.
Well, no, I think it was right before I bought a funded. I think I was maybe paper trading for like 2 months. Or no, I think my dad had like. It was like I was paper trading and because I was waking up before high school, so I was like getting up at like 5 in the morning. I think one day I was like making breakfast downstairs, literally like 5 in the morning. My dad was like, "What the fuck are you doing up?" And I was like, "Oh, I'm trading." He's like, "What?" And then like later the afternoon, like literally that week though, I think I was buying a funded, so I was planning on telling them anyways. But that's kind of how they found out. But even at that point, that was literally like 2 months in. So I still had a whole year and 3 months till I actually made any money. So literally for a year and 3 months, I had my parents on my ass telling me, literally, bro, this summer I was supposed to be getting a job. Like literally, my parents were going to basically kick me out if I didn't get a job this summer. I've never been employed. I've only employed myself. I've never been employed. And like this summer, they were like, we don't give a fuck You are not doing no fucking entrepreneurship bullshit. You were getting a job, but you can do it like on the side, like whatever. But like they were basically telling me I had to like quit trading, like all like crazy shit, bro. I was like, yeah, no, that's not happening. And then that basically forced me to get a payout, or
To lock
become
in.
profitable, yeah, before the summer, and ended up happening like halfway through freshman year. But got pinned in the corner, bro. They were literally telling me I either had to quit trading or basically like move out if I wanted to stay here. And they weren't telling me I was gonna have to move out, but it was probably gonna get to that point because I was not quitting trading. I'll tell you that.
Damn, bro. I mean, yeah, that didn't affect you trying to get that payout though.
But yeah, then it was just like, fuck. Now I gotta do it because dude, I went back for winter break, and they were like, yeah, when you come back in the summer, like, no, you're gonna be getting a job. And I just remember being on that flight back to Cincinnati. I was like, bro, I promise you, when I come back next time, it'll be a whole different fucking story. What happens when I come back in like a month or two? Literally tell them I'm dropping out and they're okay with it. So crazy how that works, bro.
Oh,
Crazy how that works.
shit. Nothing you can really say about it. Just lock in.
No,
Figure the shit out.
that's all you gotta do. Just fucking lock in and do what you gotta do to make that shit happen. It's funny though, because everyone knows
literally.
probably what they gotta do to make it happen. Like, okay, yesterday, for example, I know I could have made a YouTube video for you guys, but instead I played fucking Rainbow Six Siege for like an hour and a half during the afternoon after stream. And I mean, again, I gotta enjoy myself, enjoy my life every now and then. But it is just like I knew I could have done that to be more productive. And I feel like a lot of you guys who are just starting trading, or even if you're into trading, you're like struggling to find your profitable strategy or whatever, you know exactly what you need to do. You know you need to be back testing 5 hours a day or 6 hours a day or a couple hours a day. You know you need to be in the markets every single morning. You know you need to be showing up every day, doing your work, studying, whatever it is. You know you need to be doing it to be successful. And then you ask the question, why aren't you doing it? Like that is like I mean, it took me to be in the position of literally my parents are threatening me to like take away trading, force me to get jobs, so and so. And then that really did push me even farther. But like it shouldn't like get to that position. Even before I was there, I was waking up at 5 in the morning before school trying to figure this shit out. Still back testing my ass off, but it wasn't until I got to that point where it then even pushed me even farther to get to that point. So like if you're watching this and you think, oh, I know like what I'm doing right now, like I know I'm putting in work, but like I know I could be doing more. Ask yourself, why aren't you doing more? Why aren't you going out there and doing the extra mile? Like, you know, there's someone out there who's working harder than you. You know, there's someone out there who is going the extra mile, who's in a worse position than you, who is doing more than you and will be more successful than you, quicker than you. So why don't you want to do that? Can I see your keys to your Ferrari? I got you.
You want to be ahead.
Bitch! 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 Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. The headset then is insane.
Bro, I got my little cousin into trading.
Oh fuck yes, bro. Dude,
He's
best
16.
time to get into trading though.
Dude, he's been trading for 5 months. He's been trading options. And bro, he was like kind of killing it when he started, but like then he went on like a losing streak. So like I'm just a mentor for him for like psychology and shit. It's helping him.
So
yeah,
bro,
I'm gonna tell him to start trading. Yeah, well, younger brother. He's actually getting into trading too now.
Bro, dude, I got a 16-year-old younger brother. He plays football and he does like Depop, like selling now. But I've been trying to get him into trading for so long, bro. I swear he wants to get into it, but I think he just don't want to like get shit handed to him. Like I think he wants to kind of like make his own path. If that makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't call it getting handed to him because like you still got to. You can't like make him profitable. Yeah. You know what I mean? It's
but I think he's young. He doesn't like really fully understand it yet, and I don't think he wants to just like. I think he wants to just make his own path for himself, and full props.
Yeah.
For sure. His Depop going crazy. There's a lot of Goodwills around us, so like he low key, dude. Like yesterday, my brother found an OG Cavs LeBron jersey for like literally for like $10, goes for $100. Found an OG Paul Pierce jersey. Like literally all these were together. OG Paul Pierce jersey, OG LeBron Cavs jersey, OG Cam Newton jersey, and then another like fire shirt. Literally all of those for like $30. That's like $240 in profit right there, easily.
Is he selling them or just gonna hold them?
Yeah, no,
hold on to them?
he's got a whole Depop that he sells all this shit on. But no, his business is actually doing pretty good. He literally started this month and he's already made like $350 profit. It's like, I mean, and like this season, if you're like into fashion or anything, you know, like this season, like right now, at least on Depop, it's not really like the winter season is usually the best season for clothes. Just early is when a lot of people are buying, especially because it's like the holidays and then just winter clothes just sell a lot better than summer clothes.
No, I can definitely see that. I hate like, bro, moving to Florida. Like, I miss New York. I'm from New York. I hate fucking not wearing like
yes, bro.
pants and like a hoodie.
Yeah, I would hate that. I would hate just like having to be in like shorts and a t-shirt all day, all season.
But I'm so hyped when the winter comes in Florida.
Yeah. Is it cold in the winter in Florida?
It's like in the mornings, it's like pretty fucking cold, like 40 to 60. But like during the day, it'll get to like 70. I'd say 70, 80 max.
40 to 60,
nice.
Bro. This year in Cincinnati, bro.
Dude, this year was cold as fuck in the morning.
Yes, bro. This year in Cincinnati, bro, I'd be walking back from my car at night, bro. The feel like would be -5, and I would be walking back from my car literally tweaking, bro.
I know how it feels, bro, in New York and shit. It's fucking worse.
Yeah, you know what it's like. Yeah, I'm from Charlotte, so like the winters here are kind of like New York. I don't know, like
it's probably the same as like
Florida's.
Yeah, probably a little colder, but
it's really it's maybe just slightly colder, but really it's not like it'll be like 60 on a random winter day.
Yeah. Yeah, I just like, bro, I don't like wearing shorts all the time anymore. Like,
what's it called? Hey, luckily we didn't trade this PA because, bro, look, I assumed during this laydown we were gonna come take out the data wick. What do? Literally just took out internal liquidity to just move higher. Like, what is this, dude? I'm not taking any trades, but I'm just chatting.
Just watching all this shit. Another barcode day.
Yeah,
barcode.
Honestly, just reading chat. I'll probably hop off in like 12 minutes. At 11. LeBron James still the #1 viewer. Love to see it. Love to see it. Have I made over 6 figures? Not yet. Coming soon, though. Coming soon. I still haven't do my damn Apex 2K payout. Luckily, I mean, I haven't traded at all, so hopefully it'll be approved by tomorrow, but literally still under review. I don't know what's taking so long.
When'd you request it?
Literally Friday of last week. Or no, Monday of this week. Sorry, Monday of this week. The Friday of last week, or no. Yeah, Friday of last week is when my last payout got approved, so I'm still waiting on that money to be transferred in, but that takes like 3 to 5 business days, so I'm not really worried about that. But yeah, it should not be taking 2 to 3 business days to approve a payout. I'm kind of confused.
My shit got approved like 2 days, I think.
I mean, I've gotten my shit approved in literally like 15 seconds. I don't know why it's taking so long. How often can you request payouts on Apex a month? It's just literally 8 trading days every month. Or 8 trading days an account you can request. So 8 trading days is like 5 business days and then 3 business days. So it's like a week and a half. So every week and a half, basically, you can request payout for Apex. 400 people just watching me not take a trade. Love to see it.
I wonder how many took a trade.
Yeah, wait, how many people in this chat took a trade? Say one. Text, just type 1 if you took a trade. At all today. Hella ones come in. All right, now type 2 if you hit a win, and type 3 if you hit a loss. Twos, 3, 2, 3, twos. Oh, hella 3s. Oh no, hella 2.
No,
this is not being good.
Type 4 if you blew your accounts.
Yeah, type 4 if you blew your account today.
Don't lie. Don't lie.
Yeah, don't lie.
We all done it.
Don't lie. We know. Yeah, type 4 if you blew your account today.
Yo.
fuck, guys? Like, what are we doing?
Liquidated. I'm reading the chat too right now.
Oh no. Mo has spammed 4 4s. Oh jeez. Y'all gotta lock in. I gotta lock in.
Oh, man.
Alright, y'all can stop typing 4. I've seen too many blown accounts now. Chill.
Yo, 500 away from what?
Who just said 500 away?
From what?
Oh,
payout, passing.
Bro, wait, I didn't even see all these texts. Sorry, guys. I did not take a trade. Sorry, guys. I just did not see the chat updating. I don't know why it didn't update in the Discord chat. Yeah, no trade today for me, Ito. Wait, who's 500 away?
500 from passing a funded. And then what? Did you blow your account?
Who are you talking to?
Someone in the TikTok chat. I'm just reading the chat right now.
I was like, can I not hear someone in the thing? Yo, wait, someone answered. Do you read the tape?
If you're 500 away from, like, if you're close to passing an account and you see this, that's just your fault for not seeing the price action. You just gotta play defense. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
don't risk them.
Bro, yeah, that's so facts, bro. A lot of people don't realize, like, a lot of people think trading is all offense, but low-key having defense within trading is one of the most underrated things. Like, I've been defensive for the past 3 days. I'm not taking a trade.
And it's crazy how you have to say it's underrated, bro, because
yeah,
like, it's risk management is literally like 90% of trading.
People don't even see the other side of the ball. They literally only see offense within trading. They only see, okay, take trade, when you need to see the other side of it just as well.
Yeah.
How much more aggressive are you on evals? I'm 8,000 times more aggressive. I literally risk 4 times as much on evals than I do fundeds.
Yo, I only recommend full porting them if you know how to trade.
Yeah. That is so true. I've seen a lot of controversy actually around. People say to full port. People think it's a really bad idea to full port. I think, yeah, it's a little bit of a gray area. I think if you know how to trade, you've been consistently profitable, or you've consistently passed fundeds, yeah, you can full port. But if you're still trying to get your first funded or still trying to consistently pass fundeds, maybe go a little bit, like, actually risk relatively close to what you would risk on the funded, so then you actually have an idea of, like, what it'll be like once you're on the funded. But again, if you're like a year into trying evals and, like, you maybe just keep going break even, or you've passed a bunch of evals but you can't, like, it's that profit stage, just start full porting evals, start building that capital, and then go from there. Yeah,
exactly.
So
like
full porting, yeah, it's when you put all the money in a trade. It's literally just putting, if you lose the trade, you lose the account. If you win the trade, you full pass the account.
Yeah, I only started full porting when I found out like I could pass an eval with no issue. You know what I mean? Like, that's when you should start full porting them, because it's just a waste of time when you know how to pass them.
Exactly.
And you should never full port them when you start, because you're just gonna blow the past account, the
PA. Woobox said, yeah, but do fundeds let you do that? So yes, Apex Funded will let you pass in one trade. There are a couple other firms that will let you do that, but mainly Apex is known for that. Like TopStep, you can't pass in one trade. Take Profit Trader, you can't pass in one trade. My Funded Futures, depending on which account you're on, you can actually pass in one trade, but then the other accounts I don't think you can. And then I don't know too much about Alpha Futures, but it's kind of just depending on the firm. But if it's a firm that allows you to pass in one day, then yes, you can pass in one trade. Miniature, what is good, brother? Someone in here is from California. I don't know where about they said, but I let him know if you see a black C5, it's probably my student. It's good, brother. It's good. What's good? Let's go, Matt. If you want to come in and talk, you can just raise your hand. Kept it clean. I wasn't so bad. I'll probably hop off stream here in 5 minutes, guys. Come on in, Miniature.
Yo, what's up?
What's good? What's good?
I just took a fat nap.
Bro, isn't it like
if you wanna avoid this PA, just take a fat nap.
Yeah, fire. Isn't it like 7 in the morning there right now? What time is it?
It's 8 p.m.
Oh, shit. Take
Yeah.
a nap at 8 a.m.
I was hella tired. I worked like 2 night shifts in a row. That was 2 doubles. Only got like an hour to sleep both those nights. Oh my gosh. Almost fell asleep driving home.
8 p.m. Where does he live, my boy? Bro, how's the C5 treating you?
It's good.
Yeah.
But my AC went out.
Oh
So
no. Ooh, and peak summer too, bro. That's awful.
yeah, bro.
Peak summer, we're just about to get there, so you better get that shit fixed.
Get in my car.
Yeah,
It
seriously.
burned.
Bro, and the all black too. Good lord.
Yeah.
Start
Oh
sticking to
my
the seat.
gosh. Bro, it's so annoying trying to wash my car now too, because you put water on it or soap, like
Oh
it
yeah,
was
like
going right off. Yeah.
Have you thought about getting it ceramic, or like what is it? It's like I think the ceramic coating.
Yeah. Honestly, I have, but the guy that did my paint job, he messed up the hood, and then he also painted it like with orange peel too. So I told him to fix it before I get it like ceramic coated or PPF.
Yeah, the PPF. That's what it's called.
What about your car? It's been good.
Bro, yeah, the Subaru's been amazing, bro. I just got it tinted like a couple days ago.
Is that Sorry, go ahead.
Oh, no, go ahead.
Is that rear wheel drive?
Nah, it's all wheel, bro. All wheel manual. Although I am kind of like debating right now because again, I want to build that drift car next year, the E36, and I'm like, shit. If I do like actually build the car and then take it out into the city, unless I know someone with a truck that could possibly tow me if I like crash or like the engine blows or whatever, like I'm literally the car is just gonna be stranded in the middle of the city and I won't be able to get it because if I have a WRX, obviously that thing's not fucking towing shit. So I'm like, fuck.
Yeah.
So I'm like, damn, am I gonna need to have a 3-car pile or like 3-car stack or I don't know what I'm about to need to do. I don't know. I'm already thinking about maybe the WRX might go in like a year. We'll just see. I don't know, but right now I don't know. I'm just kind of messing with the tint. I'm just debating though if I want to put it on springs and then buy a new set of wheels for it because like I mean that'd be like a couple grand right there. And I'm just debating if I'm getting rid of the car soon, like would it be worth it?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Because like I'm not gonna lie, the C5 has been good, and I really haven't done anything to it.
Yeah, and bro, the C5's got so much potential though.
Yeah, it does. It's just like, bro, honestly, now that I've had it for a while, the drivability is a little bit weird. I don't know if it's just mine.
Really?
Yeah, but
how so?
I don't know. It just feels weird.
Interesting.
I don't know if it's just mine, but maybe it's just because like I need to like change up some things. Like, bro, I'm riding on some old tires, bro. Some old tires.
Why, bro? Just spinning out no matter what.
Yeah, it never has traction.
Yeah. Someone just asked, am I really profitable? No. I'm a paper trader. I don't do this shit for real. So WRX sticker auto stick. Without a doubt. Now this is if you are a profitable trader, you would have done exactly what I would have done the past 3 days. Not take a trade. Yo, Andrew, hit the fake trade again? Alright, yeah, I bet. I bet I'll actually bang on this one though. Alright guys, this is my live account. $12 million in the account. Live account, guys. Let's go. Bang, bang, bang. Alright, 5,000 contracts, that looks good. 5,000 contracts, that looks good. 5,000 contracts, that looks good. Maybe like one more on there. What do we say? 5,000 contracts? Oh, yeah, let's go. Let's keep scaling, honestly, guys. This is looking great. Hey, don't copy trade me, though, here. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, no, guys.
Yo, come on, Andrew. I took that trade, bro.
You just gotta let them know just in case. Some people actually are walnuts. Come on, guys, let's go. Took the same trade. Let's go, bro. Fire.
Make sure you full port whatever Andrew just took.
Yeah, I gotta
watching.
scale
I ain't lie, I actually might hit it.
Well, no, I low-key knew this was about to bang. Bro, how do I not have enough funds? Come on, man. Let me enter more. Let's go. Just go.
Yo, I entered 1 micro just up to London highs. And it's bacon.
Fire.
I'm in a paper trade too.
Paper trade for life.
This is a paper trade for me.
Yeah, 1 micro. One of my his name's Splash. He's in here. He does like he forward tests with 1 micro. It's actually really smart. You really risk like $50 on an eval just to forward test your strategy.
Like, I have my limit sell at the London high and my stop loss. I do not care if it gets stopped. Don't give a fuck.
Honestly, this might go on TikTok because I'm about to scream so loud if it hits on the trade because my mom's not home. Come on, guys, let's go.
No stop loss though. No stop loss though. That means you can't lose.
Yeah. If you don't put a stop loss in, that means you can never lose in life, and I never lose. So. Problem with Trade Evade, I can't take a trade position with my Apex account. Why so? Bro, why won't it leverage? Why won't it let me go in anymore, bro? Come on. I want more contracts. Let's go. I want more contracts.
Is that the same paper account?
Yeah, it's the same one. I lost like 7 million yesterday.
Yeah, you're like down like 2 mil.
Hey, we're good. Let's go. Yeah, wait, available funds? I don't even have available funds anymore. Oh, wait, there we go. Let's go. As soon as we got some more available funds.
You're in fucking debt. Oh, there you go.
Let's go. Come on, baby.
Oh, we're in the same fucking trade.
Let's go,
pretty
baby.
much. I just realized.
Hey, up 1.5 mil, guys. Come on, I do this for a living every single day for free. Could be making money like me. Bro, what does this even look like on the account, though?
This shit gonna hit.
No.
Come on, guys. This is gonna bang.
No way. What's that?
Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh, he's about to hit profit target. No way.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my god.
You made your house back.
Let's go, guys.
No way.
Guys, that was fake. Don't worry. Generational wealth, yeah. You already know what we do.
Yo, did you scream, by the way?
Oh, yeah. Up 17 mil right there.
Discord, it was so loud I didn't even hear it.
Hey, well, unfortunately, no trade. Paper trade, though. It's kind of sad. That's what it is.
They're just going higher.
Let's see, though. If I actually did enter there, would I actually have been able
to?
No
way.
No.
I just made like $80 off of that shit.
Awful if I actually traded this.
Yeah, I just made $100.
Oh wait, no, that actually would have been fire, yo. This would have been a good ratio. But it's all good though. I'm glad we don't trade. 3 days.
Broke out of the range. I had a feeling he was breaking out of the range because that London high needed to get fucking hit, bro. I'm telling you. Just did so.
The bang lately, I know, guys. Luckily, my mom's not home, so if my mom was
I think
home,
now's the time. Get off the charts.
Oh yeah, without a doubt. If my mom was home, y'all would see a part 2 of the video of my grades, but instead it would be even worse. All right, boys. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off here.
Okay.
Well,
right.
Yeah, 3 days no trades is what it is. Probably post some psychology videos for y'all.
What's the news tomorrow?
News tomorrow, I think is weird.
It's just 10 a.m. Red folder. Tomorrow is either gonna be shit again or good. Who knows?
Yeah, it might literally be, bro.
I fucking hate Fridays sometimes.
If it's 4 days of no trading, that would be insane for me.
Hey, it might happen. There's a good chance it might happen. And then what's the next week with FOMC?
That means shed though. I will go.
You don't trade FOMC, right?
I do, just depending on, like today was FOMC.
Yeah.
Just depending on what time it is. Like if it's a 2 p.m. FOMC, yeah, I'll be like super cautious just because usually the move is waiting till 2 p.m. But
that's what I'm saying.
There's still is moves that you can catch. Like, but if there's a 10 a.m. or like 9:30 FOMC, yeah, no, I'm not. Or like 10:30 FOMC, yeah, no.
I don't care about yellow folders at all. I don't give a fuck what they are.
I still do.
FOMC yellow, I don't care.
I'll worry about them every now and then, but yeah, if they're speakers, I'm definitely worrying.
Because I think I'm
Yeah,
on
and
Force Factory right now. There was a day where we had like a shit ton of speakers. Yeah, it
Oh
was
yeah, it was
Friday last
yesterday,
week.
or yeah, Friday or something.
Yeah.
Andrew, how do
Friday
you mark
last
out
week.
True Day Open?
My daily open.
True Day Open, like for New York.
Oh, like the sessions, like this.
Let me see. Oh no, like have you heard of True Day Open? Like it's like the 12 a.m. New York
No, I
candle.
don't. I don't open. I don't really look into that.
Oh,
Yeah. What's that all about though?
honestly, I don't know how to. Have you ever heard of Edgeful
I've not. No.
or Edgely? Basically, it's like a statistical like thing where you can see the percentages that certain things occur. And True Day Open is just like marking out the 12 a.m. New York candle. And then if we open below it, then there's like a 75% chance that it will sweep True Day Open during that day. And then if we open above it, it's only like a 62% chance.
Okay.
It's kind of like bias.
Yeah, it does sound interesting. You might
I
have to
don't
send me
even.
some more info on that.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I think Edgeful or Edgely, something like that. It's like a bunch of statistics going back like 5 years. You can go back as far as you want, and it's like actual percentages. You can check like daily, weekly, monthly.
Interesting. Someone in the chat says they use it and it works pretty well. Quinn says PA has been so buns. Yeah, for real.
Bunsy PA. Bunsy.
It is all good though. All right, boys. Well, I'm gonna just go ahead and hop off here. I will see all the students in class for 4:30. Yeah, Woobach, that's how I'm feeling right now. I will catch y'all all. I'll catch the TikTok stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9:45. Remember, just know I'll be coming different tomorrow's stream. That's all I'm saying. So with that, I'll catch you guys.
All right, bet.
Yeah, peace out, boys.
Yeah, I'll see you, boys.
Yeah,
See you guys at 4:30.
peace out. Yep.
See you, YouTube. No stream today, or no trades, unfortunately, but it's all good.